Alrighty guys, mic test please. How's everybody? How's your weekend? Yeah, I had a good weekend. Amanda, thanks. I had a very good weekend. Good work, Shane. We had a bit of unseasonal rain, which wasn't very nice when we were in the bush, but we got out of there in time, and yeah, other than that, it was good. Okay, let's have a quick look. Friday, yeah, I learnt my lesson, didn't I? We were on a fantastic roll. I had to go and mess it up with a longer term trade, but I'm just getting Mr. Squiggle. Hold on a sec. Yes, we shorted here off this cluster. All the planets lined up. It looked pretty good. Tagged us in, and couldn't have got it worse. We got it more wrong. Nah, it happened before the news. If that was news, it would have come back from there. It was just I know what it was in hindsight. It was this 4-hour coming out of that oversold area, and it wasn't the best buy signal, but that's what it was. That was what set it off. You can see that in hindsight there's a buy pattern on that pound 4-hour. Not much we could have done with it at the time, but that's what turned that market from a technical point of view anyway. However, it doesn't matter because we're not going to trade it tonight, and our euro trade. Why do my neighbours start with machinery when I start trading? Anyone have neighbours like that? Everything's quiet. As soon as I sit down to trade, they get out the gurneys, the chainsaws. Oh, that one sounds like a stump grinder. Okay, so we had a 5-minute setup on Friday. It was pretty quick, wasn't it? It was over pretty quick. We got triggered in. We saw the move south. Pull back, it gave a nice evening star. We didn't muck around, we got in out, it tagged us. It filled T1 in a couple of candles, and then it trickled down to support this cluster here that we marked that actually did work as support. If you remember, filled our T2, job done. So it was still profitable even with that loss on the pound. So let's now have a look at where we are on the euro dollar. Just not quite a double bottom there. Let me just have a quick look at the, don't do that. Where is it? Okay, so 1 hour is bullish. It's back at the, almost back at the mid band. So it's okay to trade long. New weekly pivot. It has been through the weekly pivot. We've got plenty of room to the upside if it wants to rally. If it shorts, daily pivot's here. It hasn't been to daily pivot yet. It may want to short to the daily pivot. If it keeps shorting, we've got plenty of room to the outer band as well. From a 4 hour perspective, we're sitting on that just above the mid band. So that could act as support, although